Hop into the 2025 Nissan Murano. This sporty Murano was designed with your lifestyle in mind. From its generous cargo space to its silky smooth ride to its advanced safety and infotainment tech, this deluxe midsize crossover infuses every journey with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.